I'm doing a review on the Honeywell foldable desk lamp. Let's go ahead and open this up. Let's take a look at the back side image here. It's not very practical. Alright, looking forward to opening this up. Nice power cord. Slide this out. Okay, now that I got the power cord out of the way, there's a close-up of that. If anybody wants to take a look at that, sometimes people need to look at stuff here. Here's the actual lamp, instructions. See you sliding it out. There we go. Let's go ahead and unpackage it and check it out. Alright, we got it all unboxed here. Got the power cord all plugged in. And what you're going to do is simply tap it, and it gives you 3 choices of light. See, that's the brightest. And then it dims all the way down. And it is super dim. You go super bright. Wow, that's bright. Okay, you probably can't see that, but it's fortunate you cannot see that. But it is very bright. Go ahead and turn off the lights here to just show you. Okay, that's as dim as it goes, folks. Switch it off. That's 1 color, 2 colors, 3 colors. Let me go ahead and dim this up. Okay, the last test we have to do here. Oh, and by the way, this folds down like so. I don't know why you want to do that, but I guess sometimes people don't like light shooting right at them, so this works pretty good. Or you can be crazy and shine it right at you. Or maybe shine it on the wall. That might be a more practical use of it. That's actually pretty cool. Okay, so let's go ahead and check out the USB charging. Okay, this is connecting the regular charger. It did detect high speed for a moment or two, and it dropped to lower speed. Let me go ahead and try to unplug it and plug it back in again. Okay, it is charging about the same after I did that. Let's go ahead and try out the USB-C. Okay, I only had one charger to try on my Pixel. It would not charge. It would charge with me with the phone I'm videotaping on, but I can't show you it actually working. But there's the actual charge output levels, 2.1 amps max. So, thanks for watching.
So far, so good. I say this thing is worth buying. It does have some features on here. As you can see, there's 3 settings, where it's kind of like a dim light, bright light, LED light. And you just hold for like 2 seconds, it turns back off. You just press once, it turns back on. What I also like about it is that it has these Type-C where you can connect the phone, and it has a USB connection as well. It's the one light that I had, literally it didn't last too long. It was a touch light, and the issue I was having with was it would just turn on and off for no apparent reason. And I try to figure out what it was, and I come to find out that it's like a shortage or something like that. It's I don't know how to describe it, but this right here, you could dim the light if you want to. As you see there, that's the lowest, and this right here is the highest. So it is made out of plastic, but it's like a perfect finish. It's made by Honeywell. I was able to get it today on sale from Amazon Prime, and it's adjustable. You could raise it up like that. It's pretty much up to you. As you can see here, this is my nightstand. and this thing comes in handy. So it is worth the buy, and this is something you can use to read books, or you can use it as a light for your reading, or you are on a computer and you're typing, whatever. This is the perfect ideal lamp light.
This is a quick demo of the Honeywell foldable desk lamp, which is here. As you can see, it's quite neat and compact, doesn't take much space up on your desk, and also saves more space by the fact that you've got two USB points here, one a USB A, one a USB C, which saves you having to use more plugs to charge your various mobile devices. It opens up 180 degrees like so, and it is all controlled by this button on the base. You press to toggle through the three types of lighting. Like so. And also, if you spin the button, you can control the brightness from 15 to 100%. As you can see, it lights up the book here really well. I've used this page as my wife's videoing this, and it's a hint. It's also useful on a laptop. As you can see, it's got plenty of height for a laptop, but as you can see behind, it's not really high enough for a desktop, and I've got a different setup for that, as you can see. It's LED, so it's energy efficient, and also it doesn't get as hot as other types of lighting, which is good if you've got kids that will be using it. So there you go. I hope that that's been useful.